We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.